We focus on the best product for the consumer, and whatever it takes to get that best product, we're willing to do.
These potatoes are shipped worldwide. Our potatoes go for many different things, anywhere from French fries to hash browns, baked potatoes, potato chips. About anything that you can make out of potatoes is where they go. At the cellar, we dump the trucks into a tub called an even flow bin. It keeps the supply of potatoes going in the cellar very steady. And then they go across a cleaning table where we have people that pull out anything that we don't want in there, vines, green potatoes, rocks. And then they go on into the cellar and are stacked up. I would say the biggest thing is weather. Idaho has big extremities from high to lows, and it's the cool nights in August and September that really help the potato here. We can get anywhere from 80 to 90 in the day and down to 40 to 50 at night, which is a 40 to 50 degree temperature swing in a day, and that's what potatoes like, is the cool nights.
In the company, we talk about feeding the world. That drives me. I like to take something from nothing and watch it grow and develop, and then be able to harvest it and know that it is going to feed the world or whoever consumes that.